really need you to realize you are 100% the creator of your life. You know, many people ask me, how am I know if I'm deserving of abundance? Well, if you were born on this planet, you are deserving of abundance. It is a money story that you are telling yourself if you don't feel like you're deserving of abundance. We have to watch the stories that we create in our minds, and then what we hook to that we believe become our reality. Because whatever it is that we think, we speak, and we feel actually becomes your reality. So if you're telling yourself, I'm not enough, I'm not worthy, I'm not loved, if you're saying all those stories, which many of us have coming out of our amygdala back here in our subconscious mind, which is the thing that is operating 97% of the time in our response to the world around us, then if those stories are negative and those stories about you are not enough or you are not deserving, guess what? Then you're not deserving because you're thinking, feeling, and speaking that. So you, little you, are the creator of that. You are so powerful that you have to understand that you are the creator of your life. So what you're thinking, what you're speaking, and what you are feeling is what you are creating. I'm not joking. But all things set aside, I really need you to realize you are 100% the creator of your life. So choose what you want to create and then think it, speak it, and feel it as if it's already happened. And guess what? Boop, that deserving button will get smaller and smaller and smaller because you'll be like, hell yeah, I deserve this. This is who I am. Julie Murphy from the South Side now runs a multi-million-dollar company, and she created everything in her life. And you can too.
Do you want to experience free coaching based on my 25 plus years as being a financial planner and ask me any question that you want to ask me to help you get past that hurdle in your financial world? I run these free workshops every other month to start to open you up to start to help you get to this next place. The information for my free workshop, click the link below and register, and I'll see you on the next workshop.